Fleas are tiny insects that live on mammals and birds. They survive by biting and ingesting the blood of their host. This causes the host pain, itching, and can cause them to scratch, although this is not always the case. Fleas can also be the most common way that cats are infected with tapeworms. Cats can get fleas if they come into close contact with another cat who has them. The flea will jump from one host to another and then reproduce by laying on average around 30 eggs a day. Cats can also catch fleas from catteries, from the rodents they hunt, and even from your home itself, particularly in areas where they sleep. Fleas lay eggs on your cat, which then drop off onto the floor and soft furnishings and can lay dormant for 6 months. It is at this stage that they are most resistant to the environment around them, which is why you should always treat your home for fleas as well as your cat. Signs your cat may have fleas include scratching and grooming more than usual. You may see evidence of them barbering, which is where they bite off the hairs due to irritation. Lots of cats do this in secret. Flea bites on their skin, dark flea dirt on your cat or around your home, and you may even get bitten yourself. In some cases, your cat may be allergic to fleas and their symptoms will be a lot worse. They will show signs of hair loss due to excessive scratching and licking, inflamed skin, or scabs, especially around the neck and the base of the tail. Even if your cat doesn't have fleas, you should treat your cat regularly. Some vets will offer a subscription service where you can receive the required amount of flea and worming treatment every month. Some off-the-shelf products are less effective due to weaker ingredients, and flea collars are also largely ineffective unless prescribed by your vet. Speak to your vet about using the right product for your cat. If you have 2 people available to give your cat flea treatment, this is ideal, as one person can gently hold the cat while the other applies the medication. It's worth noting that some flea treatment products require gloves, so make sure you check the instructions before you start the process. Ensure your cat is calm before you approach them. If for any reason your cat is stressed or unsettled, avoid giving them flea treatment at this time and return later when they are calmer. It'll be useful to have the flea treatment nearby and open. Some cats will not enjoy the smell of the medication and will attempt to run away, so bear this in mind for the first few times. For a one-person technique, encourage your cat to sit on the floor or in an elevated position like a table, chair, windowsill, whatever works best, just not a bed or a hiding area. Place your hands around their shoulders gently but firmly, talking to them gently and soothingly as you do. If you have 2 people present, one person should gently hold the cat around the shoulders while the other prepares the treatment. For one person, use your thumb and forefinger on one hand to part the fur on the back of the neck to expose a line of their skin, approximately 2 inches. It's important this parting is in a place where they cannot reach around to lick off the flea treatment. For 2 people, get the person who's not holding the cat to part the fur in the back of the neck, while the other reassures the cat by stroking, fussing, and talking to them gently and soothingly. With your other hand, place the treatment bottle on the skin between the parted fur at the top and gently squeeze as you run the bottle down the parting. With 2 people, the person not holding the cat can apply the treatment. Reward your cat immediately with a fuss, treat, or praise, as this will help them associate a positive experience with the treatment. Some cats may also want to run away afterwards, and you should allow them to do this. If you feel your cat starting to resist, continue to hold firmly but gently while speaking to them in low, soothing tones, and apply the flea treatment as quickly as possible. If they start to struggle or begin to show signs of stress, such as dilated pupils, hissing, scratching, or biting, release your cat immediately and let them go. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information, please visit our website.